In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your email account private in Pipedrive. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your settings and what to change so that your emails are no longer visible to other users in your Pipedrive account, unless you choose otherwise. First, make sure you're logged into the Pipedrive web app in your browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or your initials in a small circle. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Pipedrive keeps all of your personal and account-related options, and it's the starting point for adjusting your privacy settings. When you click on your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option labeled Personal Preferences. This section is all about how Pipedrive behaves for you specifically, including things like language, notifications, and what we're focusing on today, email privacy. After you open Personal Preferences, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar with different tabs. Find and click on the tab called Email Sync. This is where Pipedrive manages how your email account connects to the platform, as well as how your messages are shared or kept private. Once you're in the Email Sync tab, scroll down the page until you reach a section called Default Email Visibility. This setting controls how your emails are shown inside Pipedrive by default. In other words, when new emails come into your synced account, this determines whether those messages are visible to your teammates or only to you. In the Default Email Visibility section, you'll see different options for how visible you want your emails to be. To make your email account private, select the option labeled Private. With this choice, any emails synced into Pipedrive will, by default, only be visible to you. This is especially useful if you handle sensitive conversations, personal correspondence, or anything you don't want automatically shared with your team. After selecting Private, your preference is usually saved automatically, but give the page a moment to confirm any changes. From now on, any new emails that sync into Pipedrive will follow this private visibility setting, helping you keep your communication more secure and under your control.